the pause key. So one of the socks already put it in. I want to show you this time how to the easy way to put it on. So basically you put a plastic on the top of your foot. Don't push that past your ankle. It's just the very beginning. It's just so it's slightly easy because it's quite really tight socks, you know, so you don't want to have trouble with that. One thing's for sure, guys, you cannot do this by yourself. The clothing bit you can do, no problem. You can do many other things by yourself, but this socks, the circulation socks, is very tight and you're gonna be doing more harm than good. So if you are planning to have a hip replacement, make sure you arrange some friends to do this once a day or as many times you want to have a shower or change that. My advice is having a shower is good for you, for taking a bit of the stress off. Is release a lot of pressure from my head when I have one. So I have a shower at least twice a day. But yeah, you see as it's been taken off, fairly easy. Both socks on, circulation is done. Great stuff.